With just under 10 days to go before the first Galaxy Unpacked launch event of 2024, the 3D-exclusive Galaxy S24 Ultra colors, which will only be available directly from Samsung, can now be seen for the first time in official press images. It won't be long before Samsung fans can finally order a model from the Galaxy S24 series. Buyers will be able to reserve the Galaxy S24 Ultra on 17 January 2024 and will probably have the choice between a total of 7 color options on Samsung's online store. The 2 different shades of gray as well as purple and yellow have already been spotted in official render images. Those who like it colorful but less intense may prefer the 3 exclusive color options, which have now been posted online for the first time in official render images by US leaker Evan Blass and confirm the previously rumored colors. Although the press images are not particularly high resolution, the colors orange, green, and blue are clearly recognizable, with the latter 2 appearing rather pastel. The early impression of how the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to look in everyday life has already been revealed twice in recent weeks, but now the new Samsung flagship can also be seen from the front for the first time with the display switched on. The black display edge appears to be equally thin on all 4 sides, but is bordered by a comparatively thick frame, the case color titanium gray in this case. Lastly, it appears that the model that has been photographed is the titanium gray Galaxy S24 Ultra, and though it looks similar to the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, it might look better than Apple's flagship in person. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, whereas the Plus and Standard models might be powered by the in-house Exynos 2400 in some countries, which lead benchmark scores have revealed is no slouch. The phones will feature a bevy of AI features. With the upcoming release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series and the variety of color options, it's clear that smartphone aesthetics are becoming increasingly important to consumers. In a world where personal style plays a significant role in choosing a device, do you think the color options of a smartphone impact your decision when purchasing a new flagship model, or do you prioritize other features and specifications? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.